Adding an RSS feed to your Wix website is a straightforward process that can help you share your content with a wider audience and increase engagement. To start, you need to create an RSS feed, which stands for Really Simple Syndication, a format used to deliver regularly changing web content. First, go to your Wix website and log into your account. Navigate to the Wix editor, where you can customize your site. Click on the Add button on the top bar and select More from the drop-down menu. Search for RSS feed and select the RSS feed app from the search results. Click on the Add to Site button to install the app. Once installed, click on the Settings icon to configure the app. Enter the URL of the RSS feed you want to add, which can be from your own site or from another source. Choose the display settings, such as the number of items to show in the update frequency. To add the RSS feed to a specific page on your site, drag and drop the RSS feed app from the Add panel to the desired location on the page. You can adjust the layout and design to match your site's style. Make sure to click on the Publish button to make the changes live. Best practices for adding an RSS feed to your Wix website include using a clear and descriptive title, setting the update frequency to match the frequency of your content updates, and testing the feed to ensure it is working correctly. You can also customize the appearance of the feed to match your site's branding and style. By following these steps, you can easily add an RSS feed to your Wix website and start sharing your content with a wider audience. This can help increase engagement, drive traffic to your site, and establish your brand as an authority in your industry. With Wix's user-friendly interface and customizable RSS feed app, you can create a seamless and engaging user experience for your visitors.